Hey Summit friends, I'm Sean, your principal, and this is Jill Mitch, your friendly kindergarten teacher here at Summit Learning Charter, and today we're going to do a little 5-minute craft. We're going to ask to make seed bombs. The idea is we've got this big field over there, maybe some of you have seen it, and in the summer it just turns to weeds and grass. Now we've been working to renovate the field and make it more natural. And wouldn't it be fun if we could make a bunch of wildflowers grow there instead of seeds and grass? So that's where seed bombs come in. And if you like our craft, we're going to ask you to make some for us. I'm thinking, I don't know, 1,000?
Thousands would be nice.
Thousands would be nice.
Thousands would be nice.
So this is a 5-minute craft that anybody can do, and you might get a little bit messy. Are you ready?
All right, let's get started.
Let's get started. We're going to need some dirt. Jill, do you have any dirt?
I do have some dirt.
How much dirt are we going to need?
We're going to need 5 parts dirt.
How
Whatever
about-
you're using to measure, 5 parts dirt.
We could use this as a part to measure.
That is quite the cup you have there, Mr. Gallagher.
A student made this for me a million years ago, because I'm that old.
2, 3, 4.
Boy, the cleaning crew are going to be
5.
happy about us. All right, we got 5 parts dirt. The next thing we need is clay, but not wet clay, dry clay. And let me tell you, you just can't get wet clay or dry clay any place. You can only get dry clay in cat litter form. What? I know, this is probably the weirdest part of this craft, but unscented, plain, everyday essential cat litter is cheap, it's easy to find, and all it is dry clay. And we need 3 parts.
3 parts.
Of dry clay.
A 1. A 2.
Is that a little pussy pop owl I hear?
A 3. A 3.
And then the last thing we need are seeds. And these are just a bag of wildflower seeds. This is probably the most expensive part of the craft, is getting wildflower seeds. You don't need to get as big a bag as this. And here's a little fun fact. If you go to your local library, you might be able to find a few pouches of wildflower seeds in the seed catalog.
Oh, that's a fun fact.
Yes. I didn't learn that fact until after I purchased the
Yeah.
seeds.
So it's 1 part seed.
And now we begin to mix. More water, more water.
It's really getting in there.
There we go. Again, you've got to get into your 5-minute craft. Now I'm trying to see if it will stick together enough. And Miss Mitch, I still
Not
think
quite.
we need a little bit more water.
All right. Okay.
Look,
Beautiful.
I've got a seed bomb.
Might let have all the fun.
Don't let me have all the fun.
So do be careful when you are forming your bombs. It's very easy to squeeze and let all of the water out.
Here we go, nearing the end of our 5-minute craft. So here we are. We made seed bombs. We put together clay, dirt, seeds, water. We mashed it together, mixed it up, rolled it into a ball, and now we gotta let these things dry. I think like 2 or 3 hours in the sun ought to do it.
Probably.
Yeah. So like we said, we're hoping that you'll enjoy our little 5-minute craft and donate us thousands and thousands of seed bombs that we plant in our field and make a wildflower extravaganza that we can enjoy all summer long. Sound like fun?
Extravaganza. That does sound like fun.
All right. Thanks, Summit family.
Thank you.